We are kicking off our leadership residency. It includes engaging in professional development. So we want to really ensure that we equip our principals and assistant principals with the knowledge that they need to have to go and share with their staff before they start on August 18th.
Create a shared identity.
We're so grateful with Dr. Elias, our superintendent of schools, and our school board members for giving us the opportunity to be united as a family, the way that PSJ-ISD works with us, so that we can ensure that we meet our goals and we meet the needs of our amazing students here at PSJ-ISD.
And instructional coaches at the district level.
So we have several topics that we put together: legislative updates, some of our communication protocols, anything that the principal or assistant principal would need to support their staff with, but also lead with.
Middle and high schools take care of it immediately.
Monthly, we have principal meetings, and these are topics that continue to be discussed as we're implementing them in the new school year.
If not, they're hyperlinked in this PowerPoint.
I am just looking forward to other results that together with our staff, we're going to be able to prepare them and to equip them for a very successful future.
Thank you for following the vision that we've set here as a district.
This is the first time that all of our leaders are coming together. We're very excited about that, and we're very excited to also open up the new school year. We welcome back our staff and our students on August 25th. Have a wonderful year.